Welcome to my channel. If you're experiencing hair loss, you're not alone. Today I'm diving into 13 alarming health reasons why you might be losing hair. Stick around to the end because some of these might surprise you. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Reason number 1. Nutrient deficiencies. Your hair needs a variety of vitamins and minerals to grow. Iron, vitamin D, and zinc are crucial. If you're lacking in these, it could be affecting your hair. Number 2. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or thyroid disorders can wreak havoc on your hair. These imbalances can lead to thinning and hair loss. Reason 3. Stress. High stress levels can push hair follicles into a resting phase, causing hair to fall out. So managing stress is essential. Number 4. Scalp infections. Conditions like ringworm can infect the scalp and lead to hair loss. Keeping your scalp clean and healthy is key. Reason 5. Medications. Certain drugs, including chemotherapy, beta blockers, and even birth control pills, can cause hair loss. Always check with your doctor if you notice hair thinning after starting a new medication. Number 6. Genetics. If your parents experienced hair loss, there's a good chance you might too. This is known as androgenetic alopecia. Reason 7. Autoimmune diseases. Conditions like alopecia areata can cause your immune system to attack hair follicles, leading to hair loss. Number 8. Poor diet. A diet high in processed foods and low in nutrients can affect your hair health. Make sure to eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Reason 9. Excessive hair treatments. Overuse of harsh chemicals, dyes, and heat-styling tools can damage your hair and cause it to fall out. Treat your hair gently. Number 10. Rapid weight loss. Losing weight too quickly can shock your system and cause temporary hair loss. Aim for a steady, manageable weight loss. Reason 11. Smoking. The toxins in cigarettes can damage hair follicles and impair hair growth. Quitting smoking can improve your overall health, including your hair. Number 12. Age. As you age, hair growth naturally slows down. Keeping a healthy lifestyle can help combat age-related hair loss. And finally, number 13. Underlying health conditions. Diabetes, lupus, and other chronic illnesses can impact hair growth. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help manage these conditions. There you have it, folks. 13 alarming health reasons why you might be losing hair. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.